Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing Web3. Guccheetah here. I'm with my boy Cryptodilly, and we've got another fun unboxing for you like always. Some dope customizable luggage. This video is part of our AIP 440 grant, where we take brands that use ApeCoin, accept ApeCoin, or build on ApeChain, and we feature them and review those products. So Dilly's gonna show off this brand. Let's do it. What's up, Dilly?
Yeah, buddy. Today we're talking about Bugatti Group and their custom luggage. If you got an NFT or you got something cool that you want actually on luggage, that's luxury custom stuff, hit them up. They accept ApeCoin, and we're offering our community a discount. So stay until the end to figure out how you can get that discount. But without further ado, let's get right into this. So what we got here is we got the Mutant on my own luggage here. And I mean, this bag is quality, okay? Like, I was expecting it not to be like, you know, built into the actual bag itself, but it is. It's like, you can see where the actual Bugatti logo is put on here. I mean, it's like the material is the ape, right? Which is super cool. The other thing that I found really cool is that it comes with the samsonite locks, and then I really like the fact that it kind of rolls wherever I want. I mean, if I'm getting a carry-on bag, that is a must for me. And obviously you got the extension, and then you come in here, and looking at the lock here, the locking mechanism is super easy. They just pop right open. So yeah, I mean, what do you think of this thing?
It looks cool. It's loud as hell. I like how that image isn't like just a sticker, because I guess anybody can just like get a big sticker made and throw it on a piece of luggage. So it's got your background color. Is that where the yellow came from?
Yeah, so my Mutant right here, you can see that it literally embodies the Mutant, right?
All right, cool, man. Well, let's speed run these ratings. Let's start with packaging.
Yeah, so this product here, I mean, it just came in a standard box, nothing special to write home about. So I'm gonna ding them a little bit. I'm gonna give them a common for the packaging. For quality, I'm going for a rare for this specifically, and I think the biggest thing that takes it home is that it's a custom one-of-one bag. So if you want your own custom bag, go hit them up. This is awesome, and that gives me right into wearability. I mean, I'm gonna rock this. I know this is loud. People are gonna be like, oh, well, that's like too noisy. You can do whatever you want with yours, but the thing I like about this loud bag is I'm gonna be able to cruise through the airport, and anybody who actually owns an NFT or understands the Bored Ape Yacht Club, they're gonna wanna talk to me, and I love having those conversations at the airport, so this is the perfect thing for me. As far as value, this thing is 233 bucks. Now, obviously that doesn't account for shipping, but I mean, for a premium one-of-one custom bag, I think it's well worth the price, and you can use ApeCoin. So go hit them up, and for this video, because we're doing unboxing, we're actually offering a 25% discount for our community. So go use Unboxing Web3, get your own discount. And as far as value score, I'm gonna give that a rare as well, just because I really think that they knocked it out of the park, and I think this is good value, especially having the samsonite locks, having all the quality that it has. So I'm gonna hand it back over to you. I mean, does your viewer score align with what my thoughts are on this thing?
It does. I do like the fact that your description on the quality, I like how that image is big and full HD and detail and like built into the bag. With this discount, it kind of gets the price down to what a normal bag would be. 25% off. I mean, that bag would be under 200 bucks. Yeah, I mean, I think this product's super unique. It's the first thing we've seen in the luggage category. I guess I'm a rare as well. So boom, here's your rare Bugatti luggage.
Yeah, amazing. And I really like this brand. They have their own NFT collection as well. So go check out the NFT collection. if you own one of their NFTs and they haven't claimed the crossover bag already, you get a free crossover bag just for owning the NFT. If you own 3 or more, they actually allow you to be a part of their affiliate program, and you get 40% revenue back. There's a lot of other incentives for being a part of the community, but go check out the Bugatti NFT as well. But if you just want to actually go purchase a bag, hit them up, use Unboxing Web3, and you can purchase this item in ApeCoin, which is huge for us. So without any further ado, that is it for this video. Definitely go follow their brand, like this video, repost our video as well. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube, go subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. That's it for this one, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.